So, Ben, does insurance cover any sort of mold inspection or remediation?
Very mixed answer on that. It's a conversations that's had with a lot of our clients when they're dealing with mold remediation projects or have a loss. Typically, insurance companies will cover the mold portion of a project if it's a covered loss in the first place. Typically, insurance is covering those kind of sudden leaks, major plumbing leaks, your water heater bursts in your attic and floods the entire house. If that leads to mold, many times you're going to have some coverage. The cases where insurance typically won't cover any mold remediation or mold inspection or testing services is when it's due to poor maintenance. If we're not cleaning out our HVAC filters and dust builds up on your coil, that leads to mold within your HVAC supply components. That's likely not a scenario where you're going to get assistance from insurance, but it completely depends on your insurance, the policy you have. I think there are a few insurance companies that do provide mold coverage. So it would be recommended just to speak with your broker or insurance agent, regarding your mold coverage. We hear a lot of times if there is mold coverage, there's a cap to it, $5,000 or $10,000 in many cases. But if you do encounter a loss, it would be advised to reach out to your agent to have that detailed discussion so you understand your policies.
Great. Thank you.
1-888-335-MOLD.